Pell City homeowners know that weather can change quickly. From heavy rainstorms and high humidity to hot summers and cooler seasonal shifts, your home's windows must be able to handle it all. Bow windows are often chosen for their elegant appearance and ability to bring in natural light, but when designed with weather resistance in mind, they also provide reliable protection. Weather-resistant bow windows help Pell City homes stay comfortable, protected, and visually appealing throughout the year. Built to withstand Pell City's weather conditions, bow windows extend outward from the home, which makes proper construction and weather resistance especially important. In Pell City, windows must stand up to rain, wind, and fluctuating temperatures without compromising performance. Modern bow windows are engineered with reinforced frames and durable materials that help them resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. This ensures long-lasting protection no matter the season. Strong sealing prevents water intrusion. One of the most important features of weather-resistant bow windows is their sealing system. Multiple window panels mean more joints, which must be sealed properly to keep water out. High-quality bow windows use advanced weather stripping and precise installation techniques to prevent rainwater from entering the home. For Pell City homeowners, this protection is essential during heavy storms and extended wet periods. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Weather-resistant bow windows are designed to limit heat transfer. Insulated frames and energy-efficient glass help keep indoor temperatures stable throughout the year. In Pell City homes, this means cooler interiors during hot summers and less heat loss during cooler months, improving comfort without overworking heating and cooling systems. Protection against wind and pressure changes. Strong winds can put significant pressure on extended window structures. Weather-resistant bow windows are built with reinforced supports that help distribute wind pressure evenly. This added strength helps Pell City homes maintain structural integrity during storms and windy conditions, reducing the risk of leaks or damage. Managing humidity and condensation. High humidity can cause condensation on windows, leading to discomfort and potential damage over time. Weather-resistant bow windows are designed to manage moisture effectively. Improved insulation helps reduce condensation, keeping window surfaces clearer and interiors more comfortable in Pell City's humid climate. Durable materials that stand the test of time. Weather-resistant bow windows are constructed using materials chosen for durability and performance. These materials resist rot, corrosion, and moisture absorption. For Pell City homeowners, this durability ensures bow windows remain reliable and attractive year after year, even when exposed to challenging weather conditions. Enhanced noise reduction during storms. Stormy weather often brings increased noise from wind and rain. Bow windows with insulated glass help reduce sound transmission. In Pell City homes, this creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment during storms and heavy rain. Professional installation ensures maximum protection. Because bow windows involve multiple panels and structural extensions, professional installation is critical. Proper alignment, sealing, and support are essential for weather resistance. Experienced installers ensure bow windows are securely anchored and sealed correctly, maximizing their protective benefits for Pell City homes. Maintaining curb appeal while staying protected. Bow windows add architectural beauty and character to a home. Weather-resistant designs ensure this aesthetic benefit doesn't come at the cost of protection. Pell City homeowners enjoy the visual impact of bow windows while knowing their home is safeguarded against the elements. A smart, year-round solution for Pell City homes. Weather-resistant bow windows offer the perfect combination of style and protection. With strong seals, durable materials, and professional installation, they help Pell City homes stay comfortable and secure in every season. For homeowners looking to enhance both beauty and resilience, weather-resistant bow windows are a smart investment that delivers year-round peace of mind.